Last class yesterday, the profile application 90% completed. First, we created the name form. I have to display it into the name.html. Next, created age form, display to the age.html. Next, girlfriend from done. The last one, I have to display the results. That is, open atom, uh, name view, age view, GF view. Run this one. ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఏం పెట్టాం? 6 PY run server. Name I can provided, submit name, provide age, submit age, provide girlfriend, submit. Once I clicking on this submit, I have to display all the values into the results.html. So finally we have to create one view which is responsible. In this last view, read girlfriend name from the get method and name and age from the session, because already within your request.session age I added, name I am added, but in the last page, current page, that girlfriend name we can read from by using the get method remaining from the session. So ఇది view ena. The last view is def results underscore view. The argument is request. The girlfriend name I can provided requested dot get get of name. Now add this one requested dot session of girlfriend name. I'm assigning the value gf and take the values requested dot session of name stored into variable name. I'm reading data from the session requested dot session of age stored into variable age. Now return all these, return render request comma test app slash results dot html file. So I'm taking name stored into gf and this one I'm forwarded to this one. I'm reading the values assigning to the name and age. All are available there. This is the view. ఇప్పుడు దీంతో ఒక HTML ఫైల్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్. Come to this templates, right click, new file, HTML file, body. So here in these views, I am not passing any dictionary. If dictionary is there, I want to send the data, but all the data is available to the our session, entire data. From there, you have to read the data. First, percentage, if request dot session. In that session, if any information is there, then H1, thanks for providing information. Please confirm once. I want to provide that unordered list. So that is dictionary. How to read data from the dictionary? Key value items, percentage for each key comma value in where request dot session dot what is the function items. From there you can read list of element curling brace key with this pipe symbol. What is the meaning? Template filters అంటే the key can be displayed in case of which case upper case and I have to provided colon again replacement curling brace value. Pipe symbol means template filters title I want to display. Every list of element will be displayed. End for loop. End for. Suppose if data is not available there, else display one H1 tag, no information available. End if. Now server is started. A view key one URL is required. This one you have to give to ఎక్కడ ఇక్కడే కదా. Now server is started. Get the page. Key error because not to come with starting onwards. Now, sorry. First go with the name, enter name, submit, enter age, submit, girlfriend name, submit. Thanks for providing information. Please confirm once. Name, age, GF. These are all coming to the capitals. These are coming to the titles. The story of session API. Not required. So that is about the session management. Next one is user authentication and authorization. Ninth chapter. So here two terminologies are there. One is authentication. Second one, authorization. Sir, what is authentication and what is the authorization? Authentication, authorization means hmm? Authentication means we have to check whether the user is valid or invalid. Suppose if I want to log into this page, first it is checking are you valid user or not, it is checking, that is called as authentication. The process of validating user is called as authentication. Suppose whenever you're coming to any classes, either DJANGO, Kani, Python, NumPy or if any other HTML classes, in outside in the our admins checking your ID card. What is the purpose? Are you valid person or not to that session? 9 o'clock session, morning 7:30, evening 6. So first they have to check your ID cards, means are you valid user or not, they are checking. You are valid user, you are allowed to 7:30 batch, okay, they are allowed. Authentication is fine. What is the meaning of authorization? What is authorization? You have to check based on the type of user, their access permission. Once you are entering into the classroom, as a authorized person, as a student, What you have having permissions. If your class is interested, you can listen the class. Not interested, happily go to last, happily sleep 1.5 hour. Or else talk with friends. This is only your authorization. Sir, in my hostel there is chairs. I want to take 2 chairs. Sir, in my hostel fan is not working. I want to take one fan. No, this type of permission not having. అయితే listening class or happily sleeping in the classroom. ఈ రెండే you are authorized person. Yes or no? No. Yes. So, based on type of user, right? Suppose once you go to movies, first they are checking your ticket. You are a valid person on this is show. You are a valid person only. You are booking 6 o'clock movie. Okay, he can check the ticket security. You are allowed into the auditorium. Once you go to auditorium, your authorization just you have to watch the movie only. Sir, interval time. I want to go to the popcorn counter. I want to sell the popcorn or ice cream like that. No. Or else I want to go to the projection room. I want to play the movie means you are not authorized person. So first any application checking for authentication valid or no. Okay, you are valid person. Sir, once you log into Facebook, what is your authorization? You have to check your mails or message, whatever is there, you have to check it. Is it possible to you can delete other person accounts? No chance, you are not authorized person. So any application, two type of things are there, authentication and authorization. Authentication means the process of validating the user. First of all, is valid user, then only I can allow into my application. After that, I have to use some permissions. Those permissions only he can using. So the process of validating access permission of a user, that is called as authorization. Are you authorized a person or not to do a particular task? So any application we have to provide some login page. First we have to check the credentials. If it is valid, I have to allow. After that I will use some permissions. To do all these things in our DJANGO, there is one predefined application is there. Auth application is responsible to do this authentication and authorization. Up to now, everyone just directly joining to the application. There are two apps are there in settings. DJANGO dot contrib dot. This is the first one. That's why whenever you're using make migration migrate with this name, tables will be created. Session tables will be created there. Second one, content types. These two are responsible to perform authentication and authorization. That is the one predefined installed app. మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా whenever creating I'm using installed app test app. ఇవి predefined apps already. In this app, again, these are all common. Admin apps, forms, models, test views, all are available there. So we two apps. So now I want to go with a small application. So in that application, I want to provide a login page. Just like is one Facebook of it is their login. If I want to log in, first you have to what to do? Sign up. So ikkada sign up, login, log out. Some menu options I can provided. When you are attending any online exams, how they are provided some exams and login button, sign up button, log out. Same thing will be continued to every page, all pages. Then I can use template inheritance because you have to write Java exam. Once you click on Java exam, in that also another exams, login compulsory, sign up compulsory, log out compulsory. So atla every page this menu bar is compulsory required. Already we explained template inheritance, base template. We can extend it that template to child templates. No? That concept again I can implement it here. Stop the server. DJANGO hyphen admin. Start project. Authentication project. CD project. PY start app. Test app. Ready. So see this. We're going to first project, this one. Inside settings, your application, how to add test app. Then why tables models not required, not there, even though I'm using py manage.py, make migrations. No changes detected, but still I'm doing migrate. The reason for that is I have to create some tables. This table is plays very important role. Because of installed apps are there, internal some URLs models are there, some pages will be there, HTML files are there. That's why I have to do the make migration migrate. Authentication tables are there. If I'm not doing this make migration, go to the admin panel, check that authentication table is not available. All your users will be stored into in this table. Okay, so that's why we have to do the make migration and migrate. So now first one, I have one. Sir, why we are doing make migrations? Migrate means this a table. For this table purpose, we are using py manage.py create super user leave blank password again password create super user next run the server, come to here, go to the admin panel, login, ఇదిగోండి users, one user is there Mahesh and this one. Tomorrow I have to create multiple users and usernames and passwords. Okay, so here now my requirement is one base.html I have to take. This base page I can extend it to all HTML pages. In this, all the menu bars, login button, logout button, sign up button, just like Naresh ITలో sign in, sign up లేదనుకుంటా. And ఇలాగా I have to create all menu options. Instead of this, I have to provide a login, logout, sign up. Buttons I want to create it for every page. Every page I want to provide that buttons. For that base.html. So come to here, authentication, right click, new folder, templates, right click, folder, test app, right click, again folder, no, new file, base.html. Common code I have to write into this one, this HTML page. Come to here, template underscore dir variable, go to base dir slash templates. This is template dir you can provide it to dirs. Sorry, boss. Still it is asking. No. Refresh the page. Oh, the problem is, కాదు. I log in as a super user. Super user can do anything. 1 minute. First log out that is going. Super user kada. Super user can do anything. Now you can try to log in. అవదు ఇప్పుడు. Now Java exams. అండి. Okay. Login page is required. Okay. How to get this login page? All the things I will tell. This is story. Agent అయితే don't use these decorators. I want to display one login page. Take this. Oh, ఇది అయిపోయింది ఆల్రెడీ. Java exams. అలాగే I have to display every page. సరే చూడండి ఇప్పుడు వాట్ ఐ వాజ్ డూయింగ్ ఈజ్ ప్రీవియస్గా జావా పేజ్ వన్ వ్యూ క్రియేటెడ్ ఇన్సైడ్ జావా exams.html one HTML page just copy pasted that code h1 I changed URL. అలాగే what is required next? Python aptitude. Just to see this, don't write same code. I will copy paste it. Okay, I'm not writing any new code. Views లో 2 views are required. Okay, first one, second one. Java బదులు you can change it as a Python. Java exams బదులు Python exams. Next, aptitude. Aptitude exams. Okay, now Python exams.html. Copy. Go to here, one HTML file required. Python exams.html. ఈ జావా ఎగ్జామ్స్ని కాపీ కమ్ టు పైథాన్. వెల్కమ్ టు పైథాన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. అంతా కాపీ పేస్ట్, డోంట్ రైట్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, కమ్ టు URLs. ఓకే, URL you can define. Python. Python page view. ఈ Python copy, go to the base, wherever Python is there /Python. So, అలా previous code what I was doing is views.pvలో ఫస్ట్ వ్యూ పైథాన్ వ్యూ, ఇదిగోండి పైథాన్ వ్యూ. ఫర్ దిస్ వ్యూ one page python exams.html page. In this same previous code copy paste, change heading 1 as a Java బదులు Python you can change. Next దీనికి one URL, urls.py. That is this URL. So don't write the notes, okay, because same thing only. మళ్ళీ next view, last one aptitude view. Already we copy pasted, this is the view. Copy, paste. One HTML page is required, aptitude exams.html. In this, right click, new file. This, copy the code, aptitude exams, paste. Instead of Python, aptitude. Done. This is the code. దీనికి one URL is required. So view HTML URL, aptitude, page view. This URL you can mention to base. Total story ready. Idi main page concept. Remove all these. Main page. If you go to Java exams, welcome to Java, welcome to Python, welcome to aptitude. If you go to here, first page, Java, home, Python, home, aptitude, home. These are not important. Main important things, these three only. Sign up, login and log out. Whenever I clicking on Java page, I want to display one login form, username, password. First time user ki name password undadu. So first which one can I implement? Once you can sign up by using that username password, enter username password. Then only it will goes to the Java page, Python page, aptitude. Once I click on logout, it will tell thanks for attending exams and something message we have to provided. So up to here, any expression not required, same code copy pasted only. Okay. So this total code I will give in the Google Classroom. Just to go through that one. అనవసరంగా time waste. Because of everything same only. One view, one HTML page, one URL. First view, Java, HTML, URL. Second view, Python, HTML page, URL. Aptitude, HTML page and URL. Next level what to do? Next class we will see. That login pages, all the things. So tomorrow no class. Enjoy the tomorrow. Day after tomorrow we will continue.